Good afternoon, this is Joseph from Turo Travel Agency. How can I help you?
Yes, I'd like to inquire about flight to Manila to Japan.
Go.
Do you want to go economy, business, or first class?
Go.
I would like to go economy.
Go.
How many of you will be traveling? And what time and date you prefer to travel?
Go.
Only one on March 10 to 15 round trip.
Okay, so that's one seat, Manila to Japan on March 10 and returning back to Manila on March 15.
Yes.
May I place the call on hold for a while? I'll be checking the availability of the flights. I am glad to inform you that there is an available seat for both dates of travel.
Go.
And how much will that be?
Go.
That will be 35,000 for the round trip fare inclusive of tax and fuel surges, non-rebook, and baggage allowance is 10 kilo.
Go.
Okay, can I book that then?
Certainly, may I have your passport name please?
My passport name is Miguel Musuela.
Noted sir, your surname is Masuela, spelled as Mama, Oscar, Sierra, Uniform, Echo, Lima, Alpha, and Miguel as your first name as Mama, India, Golf, Uniform, Echo, and Lima.
Go.
That's correct.
Go.
May I have your contact number sir?
Go.
My contact number is 0935-357-7799.
Go.
Noted. What about your email address sir?
Go.
My email address is miguelmusuela@yahoo.com.
Go.
Your email address sir is Mama Oscar Sierra Uniform Echo Lima Alpha Mama India Golf Uniform Echo Lima at yahoo.com. Let me just put you on hold to finish your reservation.
Go.
Sir, you are now complete with the following details for outward flight. PAL 219 Airlines, October 10, Manila to Japan, 900 hours to 1200 hours, 763. For your inward flight, PAL 218, October 15, Japan to Manila, 800 hours to 1100 hours, 764.
Go.
Does it suit your preference, sir?
Go.
Yes, that's correct. Do I have to pay you now or can we hold the reservation for a while?
Go.
If you want to pay today, we are happy to accept your payment via bank deposit or cash. If you want to pay later, your deadline of payment is still on October 10 at 1200 hours.
Go.
I prefer to pay later.
Go.
Okay, sir. Your record locator number is POB 767 or Papa Oscar Victory. Please write to a paper so as to retrieve your site. Thank you for calling, sir.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Go.
Thank you for choosing Turo Travel Agency, sir. Wish you a good journey.